Hello friends, how are you? So today we have a topic of I think it's a yeah, of course it is related to geography. So the topic is why it is hot at equator. As we know that Earth has equator. The equator divides the Earth into two equal parts. One is northern hemisphere and another is southern hemisphere. And this zero line, I mean the line which divides the Earth into two equal parts, that line is called equator. So today's topic is why it is hot at the equator. So very genuine question it is. So as we know that temperature is not remain same at throughout the earth. It varies from place to place. Okay. So the same it is written. If you want, I can read it out. Equator is an imaginary line drawn through the center of the earth, dividing into two equal halves. One is northern hemisphere and another is southern hemisphere. Okay. Let me erase this. Sorry. Now, the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This is very important, guys. That earth is not like this. It is like this. Okay. It is not. It should be like this. The equator is supposed to be horizontal, but it is not. Actually it is like this, tilted. Okay, so this is very important point. You have to remember this, that earth is tilted, earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. So that angle you have to remember. Okay, and the tilt is away from the sun. The tilt is away from the sun, means the tilting is like this. So this is our earth and this is our sun. So tilting is not like this. Okay, tilting is like this. It is away from, tilting is away from the sun. Okay, now the earth is so half of the year when the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, the southern hemisphere tilts away from the sun. Okay, so due to this tilting, what actually happens, so this is our earth and this is sun. Okay, so if this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere, so in the first half of year the southern hemisphere is toward the sun. Okay, and northern hemisphere is away from the sun, and it is vice versa, means and in another half year what happens, the equator shift like this. Okay, and due to this is the northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Actually tilting is not so much, it is only 23.5 degree, but for understanding we have drawn like this. Okay, so don't go by the angle. So what happened due to this tilting, what actually happens, in another half year northern hemisphere is remain toward the sun and southern hemisphere is away from the sun. Okay, so actually what happened due to this, at equator the sun rays are direct and straight, covering a very small area. So due to this tilting, what actually happens is, so at the equator the sun rays are direct and straight, covering a very small area. Therefore equatorial region get more heat and have longer days. This is very important point to note, that equatorial region get more heat and have longer days. Why equatorial region get more heat? Because of this tilting. See, let me draw once again. This is our earth. Okay, and this is sun. So if the sun rays came toward the earth, so if this is the equator, equatorial region get more heat, of course, in comparison with this region. Okay, let me change the color like this. This blue color rays will have less impact on the earth than this red one, because it hit direct to the earth surface. So this region get intense heat, and the reason why the equatorial region is very hot. And due to this hot region area, what happens is, in the first half the equatorial region are very hot, but in the second half there is a regular rainfall. So this is the regular practice in the equatorial region, that in the first half it receives heavy sunlight, and in second half there is a regular rainfall, heavy rainfall. So I hope you guys understand why the equatorial region are very hot. So this is the today's topic. So we can end, and we will come with a new topic tomorrow. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you.